All right, here we go. Let me just move these around a little bit. All right, these are all knives from Victorinox. And I got the MiniChamp right here. Most of these knives have either leather cases or nylon cases you can carry them in. This one I do have extra leather. So what I'm gonna do, talking about the MiniChamp right here, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and make a leather sheath for it. Leather case. The MiniChamp is very nice to carry. I just don't want to carry it on the keychain. Just make a small mini leather case for it. This MiniChamp is pretty cool. As you can see, it comes with a pen. I don't want to write on my hand, but yeah, it comes with a pen. And close it up here. And it comes with tweezers. The tweezers, you can actually exchange it for the toothpick and get it from the other small Swiss Army knife. I think it's called the Classic. So look at the size difference. This one is, well, I think the Pioneer. Look at the size difference of the MiniChamp and the other one. So let's go ahead and make a leather case for this one. It's coming right up. Stay tuned, guys. And I'm almost finished with this one. Check it out. I have to dye it right after I finish sewing it. I have to sand down the edges, burnish it. Once I'm done with all that, I'll dye it. Nice. I gotta put some gum trigonant here, and then I'm gonna run it on the burnisher right there. Where's the gum trigonant? Here it is, right here. Put some of this on the edges. Gum trigonant, tragocamp, whatever it is. This is what I'm gonna put on. All right, nice. Here's my burnisher. Run this on the edges. Okay, so let me set this up really quick. And here's the finished product.